6 symptoms of lung cancer you should never ignore. Lung cancer is the most common cause of cancer-related deaths in the UK, with around 35,000 people dying each year from lung cancer. Now, around 72% of the cases of lung cancer are caused by smoking, so this is a major risk factor. So it's really important to be aware of the red flag symptoms of lung cancer, because being aware means that you can be seen to earlier, and as we know, earlier treatment means that there's an increased chance that this treatment will be successful. Hi, it's Dr. Derek here, and the reason why I make these videos is that I truly believe in creating accessible healthcare content that allows you to make better decisions about your health. So let's look at our 6 main red flag symptoms of lung cancer. Now, I want to start off by saying that just because you have these symptoms doesn't mean you have lung cancer. However, if they're persistent and you're concerned, it's really important that you see your health professional for further assessment in order to put your mind at ease. So let's move on to our first red flag symptom of lung cancer. Now, this is a persistent cough that persists for more than 3 weeks. Now, we get this persistent cough in lung cancer due to the cancer irritating and blocking the airways. So if this was to occur and you also had certain risk factors such as being a smoker, it's likely that your healthcare professional may refer you for a chest x-ray. So let's move on to our second red flag symptom of lung cancer. Now, this is a persistent shortness of breath, which is abnormal for yourself and basically getting more short of breath when you usually won't get short of breath whilst doing the usual activities. Now, this shortness of breath occurs in lung cancer because the cancer can obstruct the airways, therefore blocking the flow of oxygen in and out of the lungs. Our third red flag symptom of lung cancer is chest pain, particularly chest pain that's not really related to breathing or coughing. Now, the reason why we get chest pain in lung cancer is because the cancer can irritate all the nerves that surround the chest wall, and also the growth of the cancer itself can press on the chest wall itself, therefore causing pain. So moving on to our fourth red flag symptom of lung cancer. This is an unexplained weight loss. This is particularly important if it's a significant amount of weight. And the reason why we get significant and unintentional weight loss in lung cancer due to the way in which our body fights the cancer cells. So our body expends a lot more energy in fighting these cells. So basically, these cancer cells really consume a lot of the energy our body produces. On top of this all, the body's response to the cancer cells in trying to fight these cancer cells can also reduce appetite. So if you're eating less, you then have a significant amount of weight loss. Now, our fifth red flag symptom of lung cancer is intense fatigue. Now, we get this because the cancer cells, like I mentioned before, they consume so much of the energy the body produces. On top of this all, the cancer cells cause several inflammatory reactions in the body that can affect the normal body functions. So our sixth red flag symptom of lung cancer is coughing up blood. Now, coughing up blood occurs in lung cancer because the cancer can damage all the vessels as well as the cells within the airways, therefore causing blood to be produced. Now, it's really important that you see a health professional if you have any of these symptoms. So knowing these red flag symptoms is so important. And when you do attend your GP or your healthcare professional with any of these symptoms, you may be referred for further investigations. One of the most common ones includes a chest x-ray. And if there's any further issues with the chest x-ray, you may be referred for what we call a CT scan. A CT scan takes a bit more of a detailed look into the lung itself. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, if you have found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And also share this video with your friends and family that you feel will benefit from this information. Make sure you check us out on the other videos on our channel. We've got so many good resources that I think you benefit from. And until the next time, I'll see you soon.